Furniture is one of the absolute most difficult things to sell online. It's one of those really big purchases that requires the person who's buying it to really examine the fabric, the size, the durability, and almost every single feature about that product. It's one of the reasons that today, furniture, despite having a super high ticket size, is less than 10% of overall e-commerce sales. Here are 4 things that you, the furniture manufacturer, need to do in order to drive sales in the e-commerce environment. Number 1, visualize every single possibility. If you're a buyer, just to put yourself in your buyer's shoes. If someone's gonna buy a $5,000 couch from you and they're not able to see the exact color and fabric of your sofa and every single visual of that, they're not gonna have the confidence to spend $5,000 and convert on your website right now. Number 2, do clienteling. Clienteling is essentially the process of showing something they've already bought in context with a bunch of other things that you want them to buy. For example, if someone buys a yellow mid-century modern couch from you, you should be able to take that product and show that in the next ad to that customer and showing the customer that they should buy other things around that they already have. You're gonna need a digital asset manager, a DAM, like Threekit in order to do something like clienteling. Number 3, show your product in 3D and augmented reality. Augmented reality is a huge trend right now, and over 70% of our consumers are saying that they want to see products in augmented reality. 3D is an extension of that. 3D lets your customers rotate your product and examine it in more detail. And finally, test demand. When you're able to take fabrics and designs that you already have and combine them together, you're able then to see, do customers want that new product of yours? And that's even before you manufacture it. By taking all 4 of these things together, you, as a furniture manufacturer, are able to create a better visual customer experience, drive confidence, and reduce returns. To learn more what furniture manufacturers can do with a better visual customer experience, check out our profile below.